Okay, here we are at Rutledge Falls. There's the main water that came over the falls. There's back toward the falls. We just got done walking through there. Got to be careful out here. We've seen a cottonmouth on the walk over here. We walked about a quarter mile just to get to this point. And what's so special about it is this gorge or little valley thing here. That these go up everywhere through here, but all of them seem to have water coming down from them. The mysterious thing about this one is there's no water coming down. It's just dry. So I got my snake stick in front of me, as you can see. Make as much noise as possible. We don't want to stumble across no snakes. Oh, it's August 27th, I think, 2017. Hello, snakes. Go away, snakes. So, we're going up a little gorge here that we've seen. Whoa. About walked into that right there. We'll take care of him with a stick. Alright, here we go. Hello, snakes. Go away. Don't come back another day. Snakes. Hopefully this stick will scare any snakes away. It did that last one we came across. Ooh, and lo and behold, what do we have there? Let's go see. Still no water coming out here. It's just as dry as can be. Looks like good snake territory though. Snakes. Come on, go. Hello, snakes. Snakes. Hold on, Coco. Don't get too far ahead of me. You don't want to be the one to find a snake. Oop, another one of them spiders. Nice. Looks like a private waterfall down below Rutledge Falls. You can hear it pretty good now. I don't know if you guys can hear it out there in YouTube land, but snakes. Be nice to live in that house up there. Waterfall right in your backyard. Whoa. I'm going to try to do this while filming it, but I don't know if I can or not. Try not to get killed doing it. Ah. Damn, I just had a bug fly in my ear. Snaky snake. So the water coming down right here, as you can see. And then, poof, gone. Going underground. Inside of there. Where that goes, I do not know. Coco's already headed on up. She don't wait for nobody. Oh, snakes. And here we are. Hidden waterfall. Quarter mile below Rutledge Falls. On the left. Private waterfall. My thing is blinking on me.